My phone is ringing. I see his name on the screen. My heart stops. It is Mark. I haven't talked to Mark in 3 months. We broke up in March. It was a bad day. We had another fight about small things. We were always fighting. We didn't have much in common, but I loved him so much. I still love him. My hands are shaking. Should I answer? I want to hear his voice again. I miss him every day. I dream about him every night. I answer the phone. Hello? I say. My voice is quiet.
Lena? It's me, Mark.
His voice sounds the same, deep and warm. Hi, I whisper. I can feel my heart beating fast.
How are you?
He asks. I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. Listen, I wanted to talk to you. Can we meet? Maybe at that coffee shop we used to go to?
My heart jumps. He wants to see me. Maybe he misses me too. Maybe he wants to get back together. I've been waiting for this moment for 3 months. Yes, I say quickly. When?
Tomorrow at 2 o'clock?
Perfect, I'll be there.
Great. See you tomorrow, Lena.
See you tomorrow. I hang up the phone. I am so happy I want to cry. He called me. He wants to see me. This must mean something. This must mean he loves me too. I can't sleep that night. I keep thinking about Mark. I remember our first kiss. I remember how he held my hand. I remember the way he looked at me when he said he loved me. Tomorrow can't come fast enough. In the morning, I get up early. I need to look perfect for Mark. I take a long shower. I wash my hair with my best shampoo. I use my expensive conditioner. I stand in front of my closet for 30 minutes. What should I wear? I choose my blue dress. Mark always said I looked beautiful in blue. I put on my best makeup. I do my hair carefully. I spray on my favorite perfume. I look at myself in the mirror. I look good. I arrive at the coffee shop early. I sit at our old table by the window. I order a coffee, but I can't drink it. My stomach feels sick from excitement. At exactly 2 o'clock, Mark walks in. He looks handsome as always. His dark hair is a little longer now. He is wearing a white shirt and jeans. He looks around and sees me. He smiles and walks over.
Lena.
He says. He sits down across from me. Hi, Mark. I smile my best smile. We talk for a few minutes about normal things: work, family, the weather. I am waiting for him to say the important words. I am waiting for him to say he misses me. I am waiting for him to ask me to come back. But then he says something different.
Lena, I need to tell you something. I met someone.
My smile disappears. My heart breaks into 1,000 pieces.
Her name is Sophie.
He continues.
She's amazing. She's smart and funny and kind. She loves books like I do. She loves the same music. She makes me laugh every day.
I can't breathe. I want to run away, but my legs won't move.
I love her, Lena. I really love her, more than I've ever loved anyone.
The words hit me like ice water. More than anyone. That means more than me. That's great, I say. But my voice sounds strange.
The thing is,
Mark says,
I don't know much about girls. I mean, I don't know what girls like. You were always good at that stuff. I was hoping you could help me.
help him? Help him with another girl?
I want to do something special for Sophie.
He says. His eyes are bright when he talks about her.
What kind of flowers do girls like? What would make her happy?
I stare at him. He's asking me to help him love someone else. The man I still love is asking me to help him with another woman. Roses, I say quietly. Girls like roses.
What color?
Red. Red roses mean love. Mark writes this down in his phone. He is so careful. He wants to remember everything for Sophie.
What else?
He asks.
Should I take her to dinner? What kind of restaurant?
I tell him about romantic restaurants. I tell him about movies girls like. I tell him about gifts that make girls happy. All the things I wanted him to do for me, he is going to do for Sophie. When we were together, Mark never brought me flowers. He never planned special dates. He never wrote down what I liked. But now, for Sophie, he is doing everything perfectly. I understand now. He didn't love me. He only liked me. But Sophie? Sophie he loves. We talk for an hour. Mark asks me many questions about Sophie. He listens carefully to every answer. He is so excited about her. His face lights up when he says her name. I feel like I'm dying inside, but I keep smiling. I keep helping him. What else can I do? Finally, Mark looks at his watch.
I should go.
He says,
Sophie and I are having dinner tonight. Thank you so much, Lena. You're the best friend a guy could have.
Friend, that's what I am now, a friend. You're welcome, I say. Mark stands up and hugs me.
Thank you for understanding.
He says,
I knew you would be happy for me.
happy? I'm not happy. I'm broken. Mark leaves. I sit alone at our old table. I watch him walk away through the window. He's probably thinking about Sophie. He's probably planning their perfect evening. I walk home slowly. My beautiful blue dress feels heavy now. My perfect makeup is running down my face because I am crying. At home, I look at myself in the mirror again. I still look pretty, but it doesn't matter. Mark will never love me the way he loves Sophie. I sit on my bed and think about love. Not every love story has a happy ending. Some people love and are not loved back. Mark loved Sophie the way I loved Mark. That's how love works sometimes. It's not fair, but it's real. I take off my blue dress. I wash off my makeup. I am just Lena again, not the girl Mark loved. What do you think? Have you ever loved someone who didn't love you back? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new one. Lesson of the day: we didn't have much in common means we were very different and didn't like or enjoy the same things. Example from the story. We were always fighting. We didn't have much in common. More examples. I love reading books, but he hates reading. We didn't have much in common. I wanted to travel. He wanted to stay home. We didn't have much in common.